The death rate of whooping cough prior to the vaccination was somewhere between 5 and 10,000 deaths a year, and most recently it was brought down as little as 30. It seems to be coming back with vengeance. Why is that?
We've seen more whooping cough in the last 2 or 3 years than we'd seen in the previous 20, and we're seeing it more and more. There are a number of reasons that we think this increase of whooping cough is occurring. The first is the fact that parents are not always vaccinating their children for all the infections that they should be vaccinating for because of the undue fear of vaccination in general. It has clearly been shown that these vaccines have no long-term side effects in the vast majority of children. And it's only the very rare child where a side effect does occur. The side effects of whooping cough are severe and far outweigh these theoretic risks of vaccination.